Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Studio Ghibli filter on photos. Doing this is pretty basic. You will need a few things. One, you will need ChatGPT, and two, you will need that image that you basically want to go ahead and use. So little prerequisite, not everyone's able to get this working. I personally am still not able to get it working, which is kind of annoying, but you might want to give it a shot and see if you're able to go and get it started. So number one, go ahead and install ChatGPT on your phone or your computer. You can also go to just chatgpt.com. You can also go into the website as well. Once you go ahead and have it, the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the application or open up the device. So then when you are here, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and basically upload that image. You can do that by clicking on the plus button that's at the very bottom. Click on the plus button right here, and then you can open up your photo applications or your files app and find that photo that you want to go ahead and basically convert into the Studio Ghibli type of format. So tap into the photo right here. You can go and click on add now. The message you want to send to ChatGPT, you want to go ahead and basically have it. You basically want to go ahead and say create a Studio Ghibli type of image. From this image now, I'm having varying levels of success with this, so it might start creating it, it might not, but most of the time, like for me, it says I currently cannot generate image in this because it's no policy restriction. I'm not really too sure why I'm getting that type of image or that type of pop-up, but you could try doing that. You can also try seeing if you have the free account of ChatGPT, if you can change your model. That might be another thing you can try doing as well. That might be another thing you want to try doing, but that's kind of what's the main way to go ahead and do it. And then once you go ahead and have that image, you can go ahead and download it and use it as you normally would. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.